What's up, everybody? It's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I have a 2004 Kawasaki Vulcan 1500. Take a quick walk around this thing so you can see it up close and personal. Let's just jump right into it so we can get underway. Starting here in the back, see the rear tire has a decent amount of tread. I mean, that's got a lot of tread on there. I mean, it doesn't have quite the tabs on it, so I'm not going to call it like 100%, but maybe like 80 or 90% for sure. A lot of life left on them. Coming up here on your rear fender, if you're into the Masons, you got the Mason sticker there just for you. There is a little scratch here on the rear fender. I'm gonna point that out. See that? Of course, you have your turn signals here and here, and you have your tail light there. It's all pretty self-explanatory. Got your license plate holder up here. This one has the luggage rack on it. There is some marks here on the luggage rack. I mean, if you're not planning on using it, maybe just take it off. It looks like maybe that's just from like somebody running straps on it and the marks of having it like rub against. So you got that there. Just get back your sissy bar there. Going around the side. I do like this paint scheme. I like the cream and the green. I think it offsets very nicely. Kind of gives a little bit of like a retro feel to it. Let's see if we can open up these bags. It's hard to do one-handed. Oh, and there's some gold. There you go. Inside the bags there, they're looking nice. All the material on the outside there looks good. It does have the Vance & Hines exhaust. You can see that there. Coming up to the motor. There's your rear shock. You see that rear wheel in there a little bit too. Of course, you have your passenger peg. This one has the floorboards. Got the rear brake there. Of course, you have your side panel. Looks like it's in pretty decent shape. A few small marks on it. One right there. Right there. A little bit of dust. One right there. Jumping up here to the motor. See that? Thing fires right up. It's a very nice machine. Heavy charger on there. See that paint scheme again. See that contrast there of the white and the green. Looking good. You got your Vulcan Classic badge right there. Stuff is looking good. Let's go up toward the front wheel. It does have the crash bars on it there. Definitely throw some highway pegs on there if that's what you're thinking about doing. It does have the windshield. Some more Mason stickers there. You can kind of see the fork tubes there. Upper and lower. Coming all the way down, you see that spoke front wheel. Spin this thing around a little bit. Obviously, the previous owner was in the Masons. Got the Masons here again. I got some light scratches and some chips here on the front nose of the fender. Got that scratch right there. Got these little like stone chips up here. I'm not sure what this like white one is. It's a little chip, but it doesn't go all the way through. Got one or two other ones right there. That is that. There you can see your headlight. Got your turn signals there and there. Check out the fork tubes on this side. Got that Ink Addict sticker. Coming all the way down to that front brake. You can see that front wheel there as well. There's a little chip there, right there. Of course, you have the crash bars on this side as well. There you can see the tank. See that badge. All of that. That's your motor. So this bike, your ignition is down here. It is carbureted, so you have your fuel shutoff valve, and then your choke is over here, kind of like directly down from the front of the seat. Got your floorboard, toe shifter, heel shifter. Got your passenger peg. Of course, you have your kickstand down there. This bike is shaft drive. As you can see, going back to the rear wheel there. There's that rear shock. Got some small little chips in here on that little side cover. Right behind the choke there. I'm not going to open the bag. The bag is the same as the other side. You can see that rear wheel. come up here on top and check out the sissy bar. Sissy bar is in nice shape. I got one. Let's go on the other side. Sorry about that. So there's these like, looks like it got caught on something. There's these small little tears there and there on the side of the sissy bar. Got one right there too. The front's good though. The front does not have any tears in it. Good to go. You first have your passenger seat. Say it's on the firm side. There's your handle. All the seams are good on the seat. For the passenger seat, one little mark right there at my pointer finger. Same thing for the rider's seat. In nice shape. All your seams are good. Not torn or stressed or anything like that. Top of the tank is good. Above the top, of course, we have the gauges here. You have your clutch and all your controls. Over here you have your brake, throttle, all these controls. As you can see, there are 11,406 miles. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you check out the test drive video on YouTube. It'll be a good way to see it out on the road. For now, we can just start it up. Sounds pretty good. Let's make sure these turn signals work. There's your front signal on that side. And your front signal on this side. Jump here in the back. There's that side in the back. And the other side in the back. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2004 Kawasaki Vulcan Classic 1500. It's got 11,400 miles on it. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you check out the test drive video on YouTube and check the bike out at srkcycles.com. Thanks so much for watching.